Aloha everybody, my name is Sean, better known as Hawaiian Lunar Tundra on IG. Here's my 2025 Toyota Tundra Limited TRD off-road. So on my first build, I had my 2023 Tundra Limited TRD and I ran the RBP RTs, which was so great that my new build, I had to get RBPs again. So now I have the XTRX in 35s on my new build. So basically I use the truck, 24/7. I take my daughter to soccer. We're always on the road. These tires perform very well on and off-road. When I need to go on the trails, it never disappoints me on and off-road.